Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield FaceTime bug. Okay, first things first, let us jump into the solution. The first thing or the first fix you can try when facing the FaceTime bug is to interact with something within the game. Another method that has worked for many players is by simply loading a previous save file. If you have encountered the bug, just load a save file from before the issue arose and try playing again. Then, moving on to the third method. Some players have reported success by quitting the game, going to the dashboard and then restarting it. This simple action has resolved the FaceTime bug for many. So just try accessing the dashboard before restarting your game if you encounter the bug. In the next method, if all else fails, just try restarting Starfield. If the bug seems to be a temporary glitch or a result of a specific in-game situation, just simply exit the game and restart it can often resolve the problem. Sometimes a fresh start is all you need. However, if despite trying all of these methods and you were still plagued by the FaceTime bug, don't give up. Just reach out to the technical support team at Bethesda. Just reach out to the technical support team and they're going to help you with any issues you encounter in the game. Just visit their website at help.bethesda.net for expert assistance. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield FaceTime bug. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.